Hey up guys, it's song number 30. I've got 38 minutes before I have to start teaching lessons. So I figured, why not see if I can use this time productively and write a song. So, 30 minutes on the clock, let's do this. An hour felt like it was right to the wire. 45 minutes felt like it was right to the wire. To be honest, I just don't think this is possible, but I'm going to try my best, and I'm just going to try not to be very precious about things. Look at my notes. First thing that's jumping out of me is the words out of order, out of line. What I could do then is just try and come up with something that's like you're out of order, you're out of line, and then maybe try and list some things that would be out of order. That could work. Out of order, you're out of line. You're out of order, you're out of line. What have I told you? You're out of order, you're out of line. Do you remember what I told you? There wasn't gonna be a next time. Decision made, I'm just gonna go with that. Too many chances thrown away. This is it now. So goodbye, mate. 20 minutes now, 20 minutes. I think I've got a chorus though. Maybe try to write some things that are out of order. The thing is, I've just got a shower as well. This is fucking killing my fingers playing guitar. There was something that me and my mates used to do years ago, which is I think fast poems. Like you just set a timer for a minute and you just had to write. And sometimes you'd come out with something quite good, and that's kind of what I've done with this. So I've got, you don't have my back, but you'll talk behind it. It's hard to keep track of all the shit you've spouted. You're never there for me. I wouldn't come to you anyway. The trust has gone for me. Was it there in the first place? So let's just see if that kind of works. Don't have my back, you'll talk behind it. It's hard to keep track of all the shit you spouted. You're never there for me, won't be for you. Just as gone for me, won't it be for you? It's so loosey-goosey, and I've got 12 minutes left. I definitely feel like half an hour is too short. Even if I do manage to get something done in this half an hour, it's going to need refining quite a bit. So it's going to take longer than half an hour anyway. Okay, 6 minutes left. I think I've just got another verse. I haven't tried it yet. So. Words that you said, do you stand behind them? Don't act like a friend, so please don't pretend. This is it for me. This is it for me, now it's all on you. You're out of order. So thrown together like this is not, yeah. This is hard. Half an hour is too short. But I can definitely say I've got 2 verses and a chorus and a pre-chorus, so I can genuinely say it's done. Yeah, I've got the shell of a song done in half an hour. It's so rushed, I don't actually remember any of it, to be honest. So what I might have to do is look through the footage, find all the bits that are worth using and keeping, and then go into the recording process, because I'm obviously going to do like a recording of it. Okay, now I think half an hour is probably a bit too short, but thinking about it, in half an hour I've managed to come up with something that I can put together as a song. As a practice exercise, it's yielded results. If you want to check out this finished song, it's on the screen now. Please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you tomorrow.